Hey guys, good morning on this very, very wet Saturday. It rained all night. There is flooding in many parts of DC. It's like there's flooding in my parking garage down here. I'm on my way to the White House where there's a large protest march, and they have announced that they are going to engage in civil disobedience, which may get them arrested. But it's raining, so they might not. Anyway, let's go take a look. Rock Creek is flooded. They actually closed off this section of the road. So guys, I'm down by the White House. It's pretty quiet. The protesters are over on 13th Street. That's on the other side, and they're going to march to the White House soon. There are police pretty much everywhere on every block. Let's see what happens. So the DC police are out, and they brought their truancy and curfew enforcement vehicle. Maybe they think kids are skipping school on a Saturday or something. So this is the building across from the White House. This is a privately owned building, and they've been fixing it up for about a year now. I guess they're putting on some air conditioner stuff today. Big crane blocking the road. Oh, the steam just stinks. I mean, it really smells. Dirty dishwater. Like I described it, like when you have stale water in a steam iron. That's the stench of that steam. It's all over this street. 17th Street just has a lot of vents. There's another one down there. You can see it coming up. In the winter, the steam is even more pronounced. It actually, when it wafts over the fence line, it can mess with the laser security system or whatever, the infrared security or whatever they have, and it sets off the alarm sometimes at the White House. And I see them working on it, but it's still venting. All right, let's head in to the grounds. Quite a few vans here today. But the truck that does nothing is actually doing something today, guys. Yes, the truck that does nothing has been deployed and is set up to do something today. For those of you who are new to my channel, we often see this truck parked on the other side of the White House, and it pretty much is there all the time doing nothing. But today, they've got that little vent set up, and it looks like they're going to do something. Maybe use this as a command post. There it is, guys. The truck that does nothing is doing something today. It's been deployed, and we're here in front of the White House. Maybe it's just got its little tent out for rain or something like that. Yeah, they do have like a window that opens up, and then they can I don't think they serve food or anything. Maybe for processing arrest. All right, pretty good presence out here today. Pretty quiet in there. Biden flew off to Delaware last night about 7:30. I was at a dinner, so couldn't film it. He's coming back tomorrow night to Fort McNair, which means something's on the South Lawn. Don't know what. And they had to use the alternate landing zone. So, let's mosey down this way. Pretty normal day. We got a police cruiser on the other side. And that looks actually like parking enforcement. They could be setting up the road. Let's make our way down to the protest march, which is about 5 or 6 blocks away. 13th and I. It's like 4 or 5 blocks. This is an interesting observation. So right now I've got my big white camera hanging over my shoulder as I walk down the street. The cops look at me and they immediately just assume any guy carrying $6,000-$7,000 worth of camera gear is a professional journalist, photographer. And I get the same level of recognition, or oh, this is a guy doing his job, whatever. It's been very interesting compared to when I'm just walking around with my iPhone, then I'm just some tourist. I mean, in reality, I'm basically just some tourist who makes videos, but it's been a fascinating sociological experiment walking around with this big camera. Oh, they're feeding the homeless down here. Oh, lots of police. So here we are a block from the White House, and this is a rather large homeless camp, tent city here. This is what we were looking for. You know, this street used to be filled with banks, but I've had to walk like 2 or 3 blocks to find an ATM machine. Kind of annoying. There we go. So, a lot of you guys have donated money to me in the past, and I've told you, and I try to practice as much as possible. I don't spend that money. I give it to the homeless guys. I use it to buy food for homeless guys. But the last few months, and this has been a bit odd, I just haven't found that many homeless guys asking for money for food. I mean, I've found some really off, kind of mentally troubled, and then some who've got dependence issues. But like in the past, I used to run into them at the store, and I'd be able to say, hey, I don't have any cash, but I'll buy you some lunch. And they'd be like, sure. But over the past few months, I just haven't had that many opportunities like that. So we just got $100, and we're gonna go donate it to that organization up here, because they seem to know how to feed the homeless. And I'm sure they could use the money. Now they're busy feeding these people. Cup noodles and water. Hi. Hi. Use this to buy some food next time. No.
No, you're good. You're good. No. Wait, all right.
I can't. It's yours.
No, we already have money.
No, you need more. You need more. Yeah. Yep. They didn't even want to take it, but they will. That's it. So we gave them the money, and we'll let them buy more food with that. So thank you for those of you who donated. We're trying to help these people, but you know, I can't do it myself. Buying a McDonald's really isn't the best option. And please, you don't donate to me. Donate to your local communities, guys. There are people who are hungry. There are people that need resources in your local communities. You don't have to feed the people in DC, feed the people near you. I appreciate your donations, but like I said, I don't need your money. And if you give me money, I'm just gonna give it away. All right, let's go cover this protest, yeah? Hey, there they are. This is the Embassy of Belgium. I'd wonder. So guys, the Embassy of Belgium is down here now. Yeah, they moved to a nondescript office building. They sold their nice property that they had, which was up by the vice president's house. I was told the Vietnamese bought that embassy, so now Belgium is downtown here, and just a boring building. All right, let's make our way into the park. A lot of green. Green's now the color of the abortion rights movement. Pro-choice, pro-abortion. I don't know, you get confused, so many different terms. People get mad at me. Why'd you call them pro-abortion? Why do you call them pro-abortion rights? Why do you call them pro-choice? Why do you call them pro-life? It's just like, because they all use different terms. Give me a break. All right, let's mosey down in here. Look at that, we got the riot cops already out here. ERT guys in their big greens. Oh, the pro-lifers are down here. There's a preacher down here. They're on the other side of the street. Okay. I'm not gonna get through here. There's first responder. These are some of the 1776 streamers down here.
Gatorade iced tea. God bless you guys. The most deceptive food. Eternity, heaven or hell. Don't think you're going to heaven if you haven't surrendered to the Most High. The only way to heaven, that is Jesus Christ. Jesus is going to judge each and every one of us.
To a steakhouse and get through a meal without getting harassed. No. They thought they had won, and of course we know to push his authority to that limit. President Biden, you are the leader of the Democratic Party with the most important political platform in the world. Act like it. Pick up your pen.
So guys, the rain is coming and they haven't started marching yet, and Five Guys is right across the street, so let's take a break, yeah? Okay, this works. I can actually film from here. Alright, I'm set. I've got my Five Guys and I got the perfect location to film the march. I don't have to get wet. Lining up.
Those who shed innocent blood. Jesus said he's an abomination to him. For God so loved this world that he gave his only begotten Son, that one who believe in him shall not perish in hell, but have eternal life. The Bible says that God, you got to do what he says. If you love God, no, man. In order to love God, you got to do what Jesus says. If you're not doing what Jesus says, then you don't love God. If you're not doing what Jesus says, then you don't love God. If you're not doing what Jesus says, then you don't love God.
Right to take anyone's life. If you love women, you should love all women, including the baby. Why would you want a right to kill the innocent life? The one who that's our future. You want to kill the future. You want to kill the life. This has nothing to do with you. This has nothing to do with women's rights. It has nothing to do with women's rights. You have to be seriously sick in your mind to look at a picture like this. Look at this picture. Look at what they're cheering. Look at what they're cheering. It's a baby that's dying. It's a baby that's dying. It's a baby that's dying. Look at that baby that's dead. You're celebrating death. You are celebrating death. That's a very poor argument. That's a very poor argument. Sure, I apologize. Hey, look, calm down, young lady. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. You're celebrating the killing of a life. You're celebrating killing of a life. I know, because you're demonic, because you're led by demonic forces. Yes, you're led by for death. You're celebrating death. You're hailing Satan, exactly. And that's what's wrong. That's what's wrong with you, is that you're hailing Satan. You love is not the answer. Whatever you're dealing with, that's not there. You're gonna pay for that. You're gonna pay for that. And you're gonna change your mind later. You will give an account for this.
So,
If you are willing to risk arrest, cross the street. If you are willing to risk arrest,
hiding under your umbrella for a second.
Oh, sure, man. That's raining cats and dogs.
It just picked up, didn't it, man?
Yeah.
If you were trained to risk arrest, cross the street.
So this group is willing to risk arrest. The police are already pulling them off the fence. Ooh, it's wet. So police are removing the bandanas as they're placed. So the much bigger crowd over here who doesn't want to get arrested. Oh. So the groups that are coming through are the ones that are willing to get arrested. Looks like Secret Service is backing out. There's too many bandanas to take them all down. Need a tree. So guys, we're covered up pretty heavily here at the White House in the rain. They're still here tying bandanas to the thing. The police gave up trying to remove them. There were just too many. So we'll make our way around a bit. Oh, they're here. The media's here. File later. Oh, well. Staying dry. The mainstream media guys. They will be. So I'm back with you. I just did a live stream. Most of the mainstream media has ducked out of the arrest zone. That's the arrest zone up there. Not sure if that's a sign the rest are coming. To be honest, the police are being really chill. They're just sort of letting it go. I don't think they want to. Well, maybe they're getting ready for it. This is Park Police, and he looks like one of their commanders. We'll see. So I just talked to a cop, and he told me that they're not planning to arrest anyone. They're just going to let him stay here all day.
This is what democracy looks like. Tell me what democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like. Tell me what democracy looks like. Tell me what democracy looks like. This is what democracy looks like.
And like that, they start to leave. The police have decided they're not going to arrest anyone, so they're heading off. Okay, so police have decided not to arrest and the crowd is starting to disperse. And so will I. We're going to make our way up to another protest by the Sri Lankan embassy, I think, as it's on the way home. So this is up by Hillary Clinton's house, and the Sri Lankan embassy is just down here on the left. The Sri Lankan government basically fell today, and there are protesters out here in support of the protesters in Sri Lanka, Colombo, I guess. Wait for this police car to go by. There's a few protesters. And with that, that's the end of this day. Yeah, I just took about a 30-minute shower. I was really, really wet, really cold. Well, anyway, that's what I saw today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sure some of you were angry, some of you may be happy. I don't know. That's what's going on, though. You saw what I saw. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll be back maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow is a holiday. I might just take the day off with my kids. But if we see something interesting, we'll film it, as always. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.